guys, I'm gonna play Among Us. I asked on my TikTok if I should do an Among Us video, and it got voted yes. You know, not a lot of votes, but it was a yes, so yeah, that's cool. Oh, we already starting? That's great. Okay. See, this is what you call a perfect game. Nobody takes the colors and the game starts fast. Yes, finally! Like, I actually tried once before this, and I couldn't see anything at all. Or wait, what did I just say? Like, I just couldn't get to be imposter. Okay, it's orange, that's fine by me. I'm gonna skip because I don't know anything. But only because, yeah. Sorry, Pumpkin. I didn't even vote him. Bruh, what's happening? Oh god. Oh no, my teammate. I even skipped voting. Wait, what did I just do? Oh no, I'm only imposter now. That's so sad. Is nobody gonna come? Oh, somebody here. Dang it. I want to kill someone, but I don't want to because I'm scared. Okay, bye-bye. He did now. Sorry, not sorry. Okay. Where? Why? Proof. Give me proof. I'm like, what? No, I lost. Dang it. Stupid. Dang it. I was finally imposter. No. Okay, it was fun though. It was fun. I was finally imposter. Oh. Oh, dang it. Okay, please. No. Okay. Let's see. I should have self-reported or something. Last game. Like, I was so stupid. But you know, stuff happens. Oh. Dude. Yeah, it's blue. It's blue. Please. Wait, I didn't see. Please. I'm so scared. One, and he's gonna kill us. It's blue. He's trying to blame me. Oh my god, they're so stupid. Oh my god, idiots. I just know it's blue. It can only be blue. Wait, what? Oh my. Blue is so freaking stupid. Why did you blame me? Oh my god, shut up. Nobody cares about your ad. Stupid. I wish I was imposter, then I could beat his ass. What? Well, I was lucky. Wait, how long? Okay. Oh, shut up. Nobody cares about you, ad. Wait, teddy bear's back again? Okay. Why do these guys start so early? It's not like... It's like, what? Okay. That might the fight sound. If you even add... Never mind. Oh, the lights out. What? Okay, this is gonna be the last round. I'm playing in like this video. I don't know what I'm gonna do after. Probably watch some YouTube. I don't know. Yeah. Okay, I can tell. Oh. Wow. No, stupid ads. Okay. Okay, guys, so that's gonna be it for today. So, yeah, that was fun. So, okay, I'm just gonna keep playing with these guys, lol. So, yeah, well, I hope you guys enjoy. Just, I'm trying to download what What? But yeah, so I hope you guys want to see more. You can just, yeah. No. Yeah, I've been to upload data. Dude. I don't know who it is, but I think it's Blue now. Like, I don't know. It's just, you always blame me. Blue always blame me. Why? Okay, but that's just it. This is gonna be it for now, you know. Yes, get him out. Okay, so that's sad. But yeah, so yeah, bye guys, and see you soon.